My name is Denise, and I am a student at CSUMB and the service learner for the Monterey County Free Libraries. And today on ASL, we're going to learn some words used in cooking. Those will be seasonings. Okay. Seasoning, salt, pepper, honey, sweet, cinnamon, vanilla, chocolate, ketchup, mustard, mayo, butter, garlic, basil, all right, now let's get to cooking. Have a good one, and thank you for joining me on ASL and at the Monterey County Free Libraries. Bye.